Did you know that the groundbreaking film, Jurassic Park, had an unexpected twist when it came to its iconic roaring sounds? The famous T-Rex roar, for instance, was actually created by blending the sounds of an elephant, a tiger, an alligator, and even a baby elephant. The final result was a symphony of animalistic roars that became an instant sensation. Director Steven Spielberg wanted the velociraptors to have a truly distinct and menacing sound. So, the sound team got creative and experimented with something unexpected. They took a plastic tube and rubbed it against the strings of a double bass, creating a spine-chilling screeching sound that gave the velociraptors their signature edge. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.